Do you think you could have invented writing by yourself if nobody had ever taught you about writing? If so, then you'd be the fifth person or group to do so. It kind of seems like writing just got invented and then spread everywhere, and that's kind of true, but it also gives us some false impressions about writing. It kind of makes it seem like this lucky thing that if it hadn't been discovered, who knows what would have happened. But if it was so lucky, then why was it invented 4 separate times at least? I know what you're thinking. 4 doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're living in a culture that recently got writing from your neighbors, well, you can't really invent it now. So the only places it could really get invented separately are places where it wasn't really easy to spread to. So for instance, Chinese and Mesoamerican cultures invented writing, but they're also sort of isolated from the initial spread of writing from the Near East. So currently, writing is thought to have been invented independently in Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and Mesoamerica. And basically all other writing systems are proposed to descend from those. But there are some interesting open questions. For instance, the Indus Valley script used by the Harappan civilization in India is still undeciphered. But if it ever is, it'll probably make it a lot more clear whether it's an independent writing system or if it was derived from another one. There's also the Rongo script from Rapa Nui. It looks like what could be a pretty unique writing system, but it's never been deciphered either. So writing just seems to kind of pop up wherever it's useful in complex societies. So maybe you could have independently invented writing, but we'll never know because you already learned it, so sorry.